The Seven Wonders of the Asian World were a collection of remarkable constitutions known as travelers in the Mediterranean and Near Eastern regions. These wonders are often viewed as symbol of human achievements, though most of them no longer exist today. The only wonder still standing, the Great Pyramid of Giza, was built as tomb for the Egypt pharaoh Khufu around 2580 BCE, or originally covered in a smooth, white limestone casting. It stood as the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Its sheer size and precision of construction, achieved without modern technology, continue to awe engineering and historical alike. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon, described as the breathtaking paradise of third gardens with flowing water. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon are believed to have been built by King Nebuchadnezzar II for his wife, Empress of Media. Though their existence remains a topic of debate among scholars, the gardens were found to be an engineering marvel, with lush vegetation rising above the arid Mesopotamian land. The statue of the Zeus at Olympia, created by Sculptorpedias. The statue of the Zeus was a monumental seated figure of the king of the Greek gods, made of ivory and gold-plated bronze, at nearly 40 feet in height. The statue housed in the Temple of Zeus at Olympia and was one of the largest statues ever created in the ancient world. The Temple of Artemis in Ephesus. The Temple of Artemis was a grand structure dedicated to the Greek goddess Artemis, located in modern-day in Turkey. The temple was rebuilt around 550 BCE. After being destroyed by the flood, the temple was known for its im- immense size, grand columns, and elaborate sculptures, making it one of the largest and the most significant temples in the ancient world. The Mausoleum of Hyrcanussus, built as the tomb of Mausoleus, the Persian satrap of Caria, and his wife Artemisia. The mausoleum at Hyrcanussus was the fusion of Greek, Egypt, and Lycian architectural style. At the nearly 140 feet tall, the mausoleum was adorned with stunning sculpture, and its beauty inspired the term mausoleum for any grand tomb. The Lighthouse of Alexandria, also known as the Pharos of Alexandria, this lighthouse stood on the small island of Pharos in Egypt, towering over 330 feet. It was one of the tallest man-made structures of the ancient world. Its purpose was to guide sailors safely into the harbor of Alexandria, and its light was visible for many miles, a beacon of hope for